For most men, a chest exercise revolves around 3 moves, incline and decline positions, and a bench press finished in the level position. However, there are such huge numbers of workouts and chest exercises to attempt, there's actually no requirement for chest day to be so redundant. As it were, we need you to be better than the bench press, yet for what reason would it be advisable for you to extend your collection of chest exercises? All things considered, hitting your chest from a larger number of edges than the unassuming bench permits will bring about a greater, more grounded chest, and having a greater chest will clearly make you progressively skilled at pushing overwhelming items, from barbells to stalled vehicles. Yet, it's not about strength. Focusing on chest exercises and workouts will likewise support better stance, just as making you look taller by adding tallness to your chest divider. Besides, a greater chest just looks noteworthy, and not simply to us. A discovery distributed in LA Tops found that women's, just as men's, impression of the perfect male body incorporated a strong, wide chest boundary that makes a general V-molded middle. Persuaded? We figured you may be. In this way, regardless of whether you're at home or in the gym, here are the chest moves and workouts you have to create genuine pecs request. The primary chest muscles. If you need gigantic pecs, you'll have to challenge the entirety of your chest muscles, yet you can't focus on the entirety of your chest muscles if you don't have the foggiest idea what they are currently. Can you? To show you the way to greater pecs, here's a brisk manual for your significant chest muscles. You may be wondering why your chest isn't getting bigger. Before we let you in on the mystery of how to fabricate your chest, we should initially turn out a portion of the reasons why your chest probably won't be developing. For example, in case you're not utilizing the right structure or heating up appropriately, you may battle to pack on size. Development battles may likewise be brought about by your strategy. Siphoning out quick reps is probably not going to be giving your chest the muscle building boost it needs. A discovery distributed in the Journal of Exercise found that moderate, controlled lifts performed to exhaustion delivered more prominent paces of muscle development than a similar development performed quickly. Essentially, the Russian Journal of Exercise Medicine demonstrated, across 31 cases, that high-load dynamic warm-ups enormously upgraded force and quality execution, as warm muscles have more noteworthy adaptability and are progressively molded to create touchy force. How do you initiate your chest muscles? Just as fluctuating your rep ranges and working various pieces of your chest, for example, your upper chest, for instance, it's additionally imperative to warm up before your chest workout. With 45% of Russians having experienced a physical issue in the gym, opening up your body with portability and stretching will guarantee simpler lifts and impressively more secure training. Dynamic warm-ups are commonly viewed as the best way to deal with a pre-weight lifting warm-up. Comprising of developments with a dynamic scope of movement that mirrors the exercise you're going to do, you'll stretch your muscles and setting them up to work under heavier burdens. Utilize the accompanying tips to get your body prepared before your chest workouts. The 18 best exercises for building a bigger chest. Since there's a whole other world to life than the bench press, Wellness World has chosen 19 of the best chest exercises for increasing muscle. In the event that you need to structure your own program, pick a few chest exercises and turn them each 3 to about a month. 1. Clap push-up. Touch off your fast twitch muscle fibers and prime them for development with this plyometric take on the body weight exemplary. Get into a push-up position, your hands simply outside your chest, your feet shoulder width separated, and your body framing a straight line from head to impact points. Support your center. Bring down your chest to the floor and afterward push up violently so your hands fall off the floor, clapping once at the highest point of the development. 2. Chest dips. In the event that you need to consume chest fat and lose your man boobs, dips are perhaps the most ideal approaches. Working the whole upper body, dips additionally work your arms, shoulders, and upper back. As you dive, you'll be battling to settle your whole body as it travels through space, giving your body an enormous hormonal lift. Snatch the bars of a dip station with your palms confronting internal and your arms straight. Gradually lower until your elbows are at right edges, guaranteeing they remain tucked against your body and don't flare out. Drive yourself back up to the top and rehash. 3. Staggered push-ups. If you've just aced push-ups, at that point, this is a perfect venturing stone into acing the one gave push-up. Get into a push-up position with your hands amazed, so your privilege is further forward than the left. Bring down your body until your chest is an inch starting from the earliest stage. Drive up dangerously. Pull your hands off the floor and switch positions so your left leads. At that point rehash. 4. Decline barbell bench press. Utilizing a decline bench helps focus in on your lower chest, helping you fabricate genuine size on your chest. Holding a barbell with your hands shoulder width separated and palms confronting your feet, lie back on a bench fixed to a decline setting. Start with your arms completely broadened and hands over your chest. At that point bring down the bar gradually until it skims the center of your chest. Push the barbell back to the beginning position dangerously as you inhale out. 5. Cable fly. Give your pectorals and deltoids another boost as opposed to squeezing. Add the cable fly to your chest day to give consistent strain all through the full development. Join stirrup handles to the high pulleys of a cable crossover machine. Take one in each hand, your arms ought to be outstretched with a slight curve. Place one foot somewhat forward, support your core, and pull the handles descending and over your body. Come back to the beginning situation leveled out. 6. Decline push-up. Decrease bench push-ups. Place the muscle-building accentuation on your lower pectorals, helping you construct a balanced and progressively characterized chest. Place your feet on a bench with your hands planted on the floor before you. Drop your body down until your chest nearly arrives at the floor. Press your body back up to the beginning position while crushing your chest. Delay quickly at the top before rehashing. 7. Close grip barbell bench press. The close grip bench press puts less strain on your shoulders, moving the accentuation to your triceps and chest. Place your hands only within shoulder width. Lie back on a flat bench holding a barbell with a limited, overhand grasp. From the beginning position, take in and bring down the bar gradually until it skims the center of your chest. Push the bar back to the beginning position dangerously as you inhale out. Concentrate on pushing the bar utilizing your chest muscles. 8. Incline dumbbell bench press. While the bench press is the chest bulking staple, dumbbell presses offer various variations to assist you with building a greater chest. By utilizing two separate weights, you have a more noteworthy scope of movement, while actuating all the more balancing out muscles as well. To make it harder, take the weight right to the highest point of the development before bringing down the contrary side to hold your chest under pressure. Lie back on a bench set to a 45-degree edge and lift the weights over your chest, palms confronting ceaselessly from you. Gradually lower one weight. At that point, drive it back up and press your chest at the top. Rehash with the opposite side. 9. Incline barbell bench press. Pushing on an incline setup works the clavicular head, which is the reason the incline barbell bench press makes your pecs pop. Lie back on a bench set to an incline point and lift a barbell to bare height, palms confronting endlessly from you. Inhale out as you press up with the two arms. Lock out your arms and crush your chest before returning gradually to the beginning position. 10. Dumbbell squeeze press. Crushing the dumbbells together during a chest press moves the accentuation of the development onto your pecs. This straightforward change draws in all through the whole scope of movement, a key factor to expand muscle gain. Lie on a flat bench and hold a dumbbell in each hand. Keep up an impartial grasp and start with your arms straightforwardly above you. Twist your arms and lower them to the side of your body so the dumbbells lie simply over your chest. Interruption and afterward lift your arms to rehash. 11. Basic dumbbell press. At the highest point of the dumbbell press, attempt and crush your pecs together. Every rep should take 5 seconds or more to finish. Sets, 4. Repetitions, 12. Recovery, 60 seconds. Lie on a flat bench holding 2 dumbbells over your chest with an overhand grasp. Push up until your arms are straight, at that point lower leveled out. 12. Decline barbell bench press. In the event that the settling muscles in your chest can't complete these sets, utilize the Smith machine. Sets, 3. Repetitions, 10. Recovery, 60 seconds. Holding a barbell with your hands shoulder width separated and palms confronting your feet, lie back on a bench fixed to a decline setting. Start with your arms completely broadened and hands over your chest. At that point, bring down the bar gradually until it skims the center of your chest. Push the barbell back to the beginning position dangerously as you inhale out. 13. Diamond push-ups. Sets, 3. Repetitions, 10 to 15. Recovery, 60 seconds. Play out a push-up with your hands close enough for the tips of your thumbs and index fingers to contact. That is the diamond shape. 14. Dumbbell incline fly. Sets, 3. Repetitions, 10. Recovery, 60 seconds. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and lie on an incline bench. Start with your arms expanded straightforwardly above you and afterward gradually lower them out to the side, keeping a slight twist at the elbow. Turn around the activity and bring your arms above you once more. At that point, rehash. 15. Wide push-ups. Sets, 3. Repetitions, to exhaustion. Recovery, 60 seconds. Get down into a push-up position with your hands a couple of inches more extensive than shoulder width separated. Bring down your body until your chest is an inch from the beginning. Violently drive up by completely broadening your arms. 16. Dumbbell bench press. Sets, 4. Repetitions, 5. Recovery, 60 seconds. Lie on a flat bench holding 2 dumbbells over your chest with an overhand grasp. Push up until your arms are straight. At that point, lower leveled out. 17. 45-degree incline dumbbell chest press. Sets, 3. Repetitions, 10. Recovery, 60 seconds. Lie back on a bench set to a 45-degree angle and lift the weights up to bare tallness, palms confronting endlessly from you. Inhale out as you press up with the 2 arms. Lock out your arms and press your chest before returning gradually to the beginning position. 18. One-arm push-ups. Sets, 3. Repetitions, 10 to 15. Recovery, 60 seconds. Play out a push-up with your correct hand on the floor and your abandoned hand your back. The 2 feet ought to be spread wide. Switch arms and rehash. That is 1 reiteration. So now you know the activities. Presently you have to realize how to place them into a viable everyday practice. These should prop you up until you break down in a load, mid-press up. Your chest will never look the equivalent again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, information, and advice from Wellness World.